In that first video, we have to learn about our food. This is our first lesson. Our food, we have to eat daily different types of food items in the morning, afternoon, and lunch. Then we have to learn about our eating items, eating food that is belonging to our healthy. What is that healthy food we have to eat? Why? Because we have to fall into the sick and illness. We have to fall that, and we have to go to hospital to it remains pure. Then we have to learn about that our food. What is that? We have to learn about our food. This is that we now in the last lesson we have to learn about our carbohydrates, fats. These are that we have to learn about that lesson. Now we have to learn about in this class that different type of foods we have to learn about. Differences between junk food and healthy food. Do you know junk foods that is made by chips or roadside? What are that they are selling? The junk food causes to unhealthy to us our body, which belongs to our illness. Then we have to prefer to the healthy food. Healthy food means homemade food. We have to prepare in our home properly. That food we can take in proper way. Then that we have to cook the food in the healthy hot only we have to take it. Then we have to prevent our health conscious. We have to protect our healthiness. Then all the nutrient food. Yes, this is the very important in these days. Why? Because the infections are so much going on. That's only we have to take nutrients food, protein food. We have to take this type of food. Very important in these days. Why? Because that infections are coming to fight in our body. The white blood cells and red blood cells going to falling down. Then we have to take in protein food, vitamin food like citrus foods. This type of food we have to take every day. Our menu. What is the menu means? We have to take in the day what we have to type of food we are taking. Morning breakfast and after lunch, evening snacks or milk, and night that dinner. On the day we have to prepare one chart. What are the food items we have to take in these days? Then we have to go follow the menu. Then we have to avoid the infections about our healthy. Then we have to learn about 3 points on the first class. Now we have to learn about the minerals. It is necessary for our life to perform the organs. Yes, minerals are very important to our body to perform our organisms. Organs we have to perform to all the activities. We have to such type of minerals we taking daily. Then we have to run our daily activities. That foods. Which foods? Mineral foods are highest in minerals. That is include. Where the food are included? The foods are included mainly which food? Mineral food. Where it is? The nuts and the leafy green vegetables. Leafy vegetables like spinach, mint, coriander. These green leafy vegetables we have to take. It is belonging to minerals. Then beans. Beans means, do you know chikurukaya or chikurukaya? That is beans belonging to that. Seeds. Seeds, you know that the seeds we have to take like salads with including with lemon juice, and we have to take that pepper powder. We have to take in morning session. Then fish, you know very well. The most people are like this fish item. Next, mushrooms. This is the rare they are cooking. Some members are not interested to eat this item. And that whole grains mean wheat, java, millets, these type of foods belonging to minerals. Next we have to go, last one is the proteins. Do you know that proteins are very important to us to protect our body, such type of viruses. We have to take proteins by the supplements of tablets, vitamin tablets and protein tablets, including the doctor. When we are called, we have to go to the hospital. The doctor will prescribe the tablets list, the precautions, what you are eating, what you are not eating, what type of food you are taking, what type of medicines you have to take. That including our food, not medicines also through the, we have to take the proteins. They are contains are contain what contain? Proteins are contains carbohydrates, carbons, hydrogen and oxygen like carbohydrates. You know in the first class we had to learn about carbohydrates and lipids. These are the included to the proteins. Then it is include lean chicken. The food is proteins most probably in the chicken. Then lean pork. This is the one type of food. Then next fish, lean beef, low fat yogurt, egg, yogurt and milk. Every daily 2 times you have to take the milk and cheese, seeds and eggs, etc. These are the protein foods. These are 5 types of healthy food we have to take in our life. Then next we have to learning about the methods of food processing. We have to eat different types of foods. No, they have the foods have different types of processing of food. We are making different types of food that is our mummy and mama something else. They are doing different type of foods. Different 3 times you have to take the food. No, they have to prepare different types of methods of food processing. Now we have to learn about that main common processing of food. That is one boiling, steaming, fermentation and chopping and mixing. These are the 4 types of methods of food processing. These are the mainly 4 types of food processing. In the boiling, do you know very good that eggs will boil and potatoes. The foods are boiling foods are eggs and potatoes. Steaming means in the breakfast we have to take mainly idli. That is the steaming. Fermentation means that is dosha. Do you know like in tiffins, morning and evenings, you have to like no? Yes, I most like this one. And chopping and mixing. Do you know chopping? That salads are cut into small pieces. Vegetables also cutting in small pieces and we have to make to prepare the food. And we have to garnish the food. What we are preparing the food, we have to garnish the different types of chopping vegetables items like onions, like tomatoes. We have to do that. This is called salads cut into small pieces. Vegetables or fruits we can cut into small pieces. That is called chopping and mixing. Next, in that boiling, you know that we have to prepare the food, egg curry or potatoes curry. We have to boil the things and we have to make the list. We have to make the food item. Then you know that I am giving the one assignment in the last class I gave to you, send it to through the WhatsApp group, our group. I sent it to the message. No one can do that activity, but I want this after this video, you have to do this and before the class assignment also. That is that you do what is that do you like most food item, you have to prepare the chart, prepare the process of methods, what the ingredients need, that how to process the food item. You have to write and giving the send it to the WhatsApp. This is this class assignment, and before the class assignment is that what is the most like food items and your friends food items. In 3 days start you have to write and make a write table and send it to the WhatsApp. I send it to you that message. Not no one can send that. 1 or 2 members are sending me that answer in 6th class. Now this after going this video you have to watch after. Do last one and this one you immediately next day you have to send in through the WhatsApp group. What is that? Which food item you like most? What is the process of food? What is the ingredients need that food item? How to prepare the food item? You have to write in paper and send it to the worksheet. This is the method of food processing assignment. This video, this class I am giving to assignments. Which food you like, and most last class what your friends and you last 3 days you ate much more food items. What is that? Prepare the list, prepare the table and send the group. Next we have to go into the last one is that preservation of food. Do you know preservation? What is the meaning of? We have to, what is the food are there in our home? We have to prepare the food, that is protect In that next day, that is called preservation. Ante nilva unchadam, preservation. Do you know like mango pickle or tamarind pickle and tomato pickle? You like more, most no. Then when it is preparing in the summer, mango pickle. In before winter or starting winter season, we have to prepare tamarind and mango, tomato. These pickles are through the year going on, preserved in our home. How it is possible? How it is possible, you know? This is the process of preservation of food. These are the preservation of food methods are there. We have to one item we have to preserve the food items. One is that pickling, salting, smoking, soaking, and then pickling. This one you know very well because of we are eating so much infested the pickles are mangoes. That is called avagaya, mango chutney. We have to like more, and also carrot chutney. We have to like more. These you know. These are the new, but you don't know the name of processing this one. That pickling means the food preserved in vinegar. That vinegar is that one liquid form. We have to preserve the food items. We have to mix with the food and we have to preserve the food. That is called pickling. Next, salting. The food preserved by in the salt such as fish, meat, etc. Yes, mixed with the salt and preserved 2 days, 1 week. They have to preserve these items. Next, third one is smoking. That is that fish and meat prevent spoilage by the dehydration. Yes, these non-veg items like fish and meat, they have to preserve this type of method. The food item not going to dehydration, we have to soaking the food items and we have to preserve the food. Next one is the pickle. You know very well because in summer season our mother or grandparents are preparing in home. That vegetables pickles also there, and the most of the vegetables preserved by the pickle. Example mango, fish. Non-veg pickles also there, fish, meat, chicken. We have to prepare these type of food. And vegetable carving. Next one is vegetable carving. That is, in these days you have to see in that TV, that is food preparing, food channels are coming, food preparing programs. In that the chef will do different types of shapes of fruits and vegetables. He had to cut and he have to show what they have prepared the food. They have to garnish the food and they have to prepare that food vegetable carving. Then what is the meaning of vegetable carving? Means that cut different shapes. If the chef will or we also cut the different shape of fruits and vegetables. Yes, we have different